Hey guys, welcome to Backbenchers Club, and in this video we're just gonna write the code of BubbleSort. If you have just not seen the algorithm, the link is mentioned in description below. I have already made a video on that. And if you're also unfamiliar with the concept of swapping, the another link is also given in description below. Please do have a look at that link. That will help you a lot while understanding the code for this algorithm. Go ahead and fire up your own IDEs in which you're comfortable with, or Python idle, traditional one, which I am using here. Fine. After that, that's very simple. What you have to do is just you need to create a list first. Let me say a list, name list. That's pretty obvious. Let me give element like that will be 2, 67, 23, 56, 12, 56. No, that will be 59. I Fine. After that, close that list for this. Just remember, I was talking about two loops. First loop was to from 0th element to the last element. For that, we need the size of this list. How many elements are present in the list? So that it turned out there is already a function named length, len, which is used for calculation of the elements of this list. So what I'll be just doing is I'll say list. I'll declare a variable list length, in which I'll call that function, in which I'll pass on the list. Fine. Now this function will return the list length. For that, let me just print it down like list leng list length. After this, what I want to do is I'll run my first loop. Now I have all necessary ingredients to run the main program or main algorithm for BubbleSort. For loop I in range length, that will be list length, and another nested loop for j in range list length minus I minus 1. As I have already discussed in algorithm, by this specifically list length minus I minus 1 has already came. After that, I'll just compare the first two variables. That will be if list of I is greater than list of that will be j, because we are in jth loop right now. Ith loop we just don't want to play with it, so that will be j plus 1. And why I have compared first two element, that is because if first element is greater, so obviously it has to be smaller for the algorithm to work, or for bubble sorting or sorting to just happen. Fine. So right now just I'll simply swap it. If you don't know swapping, then please look at the video which I already uploaded on swapping. Video is just given back into description. I'll just swap them. That will be list j comma list j plus 1 will be equals to list j plus 1 comma list j. Now to check whether my algorithm or this code is working, I'll just print that list. For that I need another loop for I in range list length. Then after that I'll just simply give a print command, in which I'll just print %d list of I. After that I'll save this and run it. As you can see already, now my sorting has been completed, like it's 6, 2, 12, 23, 56, 59, 67. It's absolutely working. And you might say like, why 6 is not present here? The reason is really very simple, because 6 was this command. Let me just run it again. After that, giving another command of like print /n for a new line. After that, let me just save it and run it. Press F5 or simply just go to run, and run module, as simple as that. Press OK. After you are seeing 6 is the total number of elements. That will be 1 2 3 4 5 6. In counting it's actually starting from 1, but when you will just work with them individually, it will start from 0. This was the bubble sort. It is one of the easiest sorting method in Python. Fine. If you like this video, then please hit that like button and do subscribe to my channel, and do hit that bell icon also below. That will keep you notified for my every update of videos. After that, if you want any other videos that you want me to actually make any video on a specific topic, do mention it below into the comment section. Thank you and have a nice day.